mid-November. We still haven't had any snow, but that gives me an opportunity to get back to work on the big woodshed and hopefully get a roof on it before the first snow. Finishing the sidewalls up after it snows isn't anywhere near as big a deal as getting up on a sheet metal roof that might have ice on it. We picked up some more rough sawn lumber from the local guy. That'll provide the purlins that the sheet metal is then going to screw down to. Very simple roof structure, really. Stuff I didn't expect to be so big. That leaves us 25 and a quarter. Never expected to get one this long. But neither am I going to throw it back.
You'll be down sooner that way, that's for sure.
I'll be what?
There. You'll be down sooner.
Yeah. Well, I didn't quite get this done. I'm one piece of sheet metal short, although I think we've decided we're going to go ahead and frame in above the doorways and drop some sheet metal down there, about a 2-foot panel up there. That'll just keep wind-blown snow from blowing in quite as bad through the open doors. Might even go ahead and put doors on this at some point. Probably not this year. That'll be something for next year. But we're going to have to go find more of this salvaged sheet metal. Place we got it from has more. We've just got to make the effort. Today it's raining slightly. It's cold. Be a miserable day to work on this anyway, so I'm not going to worry about it. And this will serve its purpose even if I don't get this finished. So in the next week or so, we're going to start really splitting wood seriously and see if we can start filling this building up. Everything I still need to do to finish the building can be done even if it's starting to fill up with wood. Now personally, I like to listen to music, maybe a podcast when I'm working on something like this. Your typical earbuds that pair with your cell phone are not really hearing protection though, and cutting sheet metal is loud, it's really hard on your ears. And having a Bluetooth earbud that is actually certified hearing protection, OSHA approved, is really beneficial. IsoTunes sent me their free Aware version. These are earbuds. They work just like any other set of earbuds, and they are also hearing protection that blocks out all the harmful noise. The Aware feature in the free Aware also allows non-harmful sounds to come through, so you can be aware of the things going on around you. You can hear other people, things like that, while still protecting your hearing and while still listening to some music or your favorite podcast. Now, IsoTunes did send me these. They are not sponsoring the video. I have other IsoTune products I paid full price for. So it's a product I'm very familiar with. And they're over-the-ear headphones and other hearing protection. Also come in the Aware version or without it, depending on your price point and what you really need. So if you're interested in some nice earbuds that offer hearing protection, you want to check out IsoTunes. I'll put a link down below in the video description. Like I say, they aren't sponsoring the video, but that is an affiliate link. So if you buy something, I get a little bit of a commission. And right now, they've got a Black Friday sale going on, so you can get a pretty good discount if you're looking for some of their products. I'm going to take advantage of the fact that we've got some extra firewood now, light a fire in the stove down in the basement wood shop, start cleaning that up, and get back to work on some of the projects I thought I was going to do last winter. But as it usually happens, once the weather gets nice, I spend more time outside, more time in the blacksmith shop, and less time in the wood shop. Now with winter coming on, we're going to be seeing more videos down in the wood shop. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. I really appreciate it. I'll see you for the next one.